What's up guys, this is Jay from Remote Suumo, and today I want to get into a subject I call affiliate marketing. And this is maybe for some of you this is the first time you've ever heard this term. For some of you, you probably tried and haven't done so well with it. But anyone who's ever done this knows that it can be really tough, and anyone who's ever done this well knows that it can be really lucrative. So what is it? Why should you do it? And more importantly, how can you do it? This is an incredible way to earn money online, and it makes a lot of people a lot of money. But the reality of it is it's really hard. If you're not doing it properly, then there's a lot of stuff you need to consider in order to do it properly. And a lot of people just give up after 1 or 2 weeks. So what is it? So essentially, affiliate marketing is when you have a friend, hypothetically, called John, and John is a graphic designer. And you say to John, hey, look, I've got this guy. He wants to get some graphic design done. How do you feel about that? He says, yeah, sure. I usually charge £1,000. I'll give you £100 if you can convince him to come and buy my services. So what do? You go out to your friend and you say, hey, look, I got this graphic designer friend. He's really amazing at what he does. He's the most creative guy I've ever met. You need your app designed. Why don't you go with John? So what happens? Your friend now goes with John. John gets that money and he gives you a commission. That's exactly what affiliate marketing is in the real world. And it's exactly the same online. You're just using a special link called an affiliate link. So something like this. This is what we call our special affiliate code. So what you can do with this is usually you can put this on your website, your blog, your YouTube videos underneath. You'll probably see YouTube videos. In fact, there's one below now. In full disclosure, one of the links below to Traffic Secrets, which I'm going to explain in a minute, is actually an affiliate to my good pal Russell Brunson. He's amazing at what he does. He is one of the world leaders in remote working and creating a freedom lifestyle. He has done more for this business than anyone I can think of in this industry. He has made multi-millionaires, and he's made lots of them. So, if you're going to follow anyone, Russell Brunson is one of the guys I suggest you follow. He's great. But why should you get into affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is really lucrative if you're willing to put in the effort and you're willing to learn how. Okay, so affiliate marketing, some of these sites will pay you 100% of the initial startup bounty. So if somebody comes and their initial price that they pay is $500, you will get $500 for making that commission. You know why? Because of something called lifetime value of a customer. If somebody wants to pay $500 to get into something, and that's what they lose when they give it to you, that value that customer could potentially have over the 10-15 years that they could be doing business with you, you're willing to pay $500 for that customer, because that customer could effectively turn into millions of dollars over the course of 10 years. So when you have this initial customer, you can afford to give away that $500 in commission for thank you for giving that person to you, because that person could potentially be millions of dollars worth of ongoing revenue. So some of the best sites out there that I can think of, they pay not only for your initial sign up, but they continue to pay you on an ongoing basis. So if you have a retainer, a plan, so for example, if you have an online learning platform and they have to pay $50 a month in order to use, then that could be really beneficial, because you can then earn 10, 20, 30% of that ongoing revenue. So if somebody's earning $50 for their ongoing monthly subscriptions, then all you have to do is sit back and watch that $20 come roll in because you signed that person up. These are great programs. I'm going to talk about more of that in a second. What kinds of affiliate marketing are there? So how do you do it? So there's two kinds of affiliate marketing essentially. You can either approach one of these companies directly, such as Amazon Associates. That's a direct affiliate. You're not working through a marketplace, you're working directly with the affiliate. And there's ClickBanks, which is by Russell Brunson. His program is a bit expensive. It's $99 a month, but if you don't have the skills to build a website, if you don't know how to manage an email marketing list, if it's your first time getting involved in any kind of online marketing, then I highly recommend you check out clickfunnels.com. There'll be a link in the description below, and yes, it's an affiliate link. But ClickFunnels is a really good way to get started for some people who run their affiliate marketing, and also they have an affiliate program. So what a lot of people do is they use ClickFunnels to promote ClickFunnels. So it's really bizarre, but they will do that. They will often it's in addition to what they do. So if you have an online training course on how to do affiliate marketing, then you'll have oh, by the way, this is the best way to get into affiliate marketing. And by the way, you can download my free funnel template so that you can start using it today. And then they will give you that special link that you can then go and put into your course or your promotional videos. You can say, hey, look, in your promotional video on your sales page, you can say, hey, in order to do this program, you need to sign up with Sales Funnels, $99, then you get a piece of that commission. Great. If you want to use it, I have used it, and I know that it's one of the best things out there for beginners. So other examples are Amazon Associates. So some of the links that I put below in these YouTube videos are Amazon Associate links. If you ever see a link to my tripod or to the camera setup that I use or to anything that I suggest, hey, look, if you're going to be doing blogging online or you're going to be doing video stuff on YouTube, then this product is really good. Then it's probably going to be an Amazon link, so that when you click on it, I'll get a small commission. It won't cost you any more, by the way. So if you click on any of my affiliate links below, that won't cost you any money. It's just that Amazon's going to thank me for referring you to them. Then we have what we call affiliate marketplaces. Affiliate marketplaces are essentially a marketplace where you can go and find a whole bunch of these different affiliates. So common ones of this is probably Max Bounty, you have Commission Junction, and the most popular one and the one I use is ClickBank. So ClickBank is probably the most popular affiliate marketing platform or marketplace. And what they do is they list a whole bunch of people, and you can choose from those people and get your own code. And they're sort of like the middleman between you and the affiliate company that you're affiliating for. When you get that affiliate link, you can then start working for that company, but through ClickBanks. Now, it's pretty good. I mean, one of the great things is it gives you access to those directly, and a lot of those guys don't reach out to people individually. And that's another thing as well, is once you get to the next level, once you start promoting these guys to a really high level, they will actually approach you and say, hey, we noticed that through ClickBank, you're doing exceptionally well for our product. You've made over $1 million worth of sales. Or if you just happen to be doing really well on YouTube, you'll get a lot of people start to come up to you or email you and say, hey, you guys are getting 1 million views a month on your products or on your videos. Can you please sell our products? And so that's one of the best ways to do it. I like to have that personal relationship with the affiliate person I'm affiliating for. So that's one great way to do it. So if you have YouTube channels that are starting to get some traction, that's great. If you have a ClickFunnels account that you're working through and you're starting to get some traction with that particular product, again, they'll approach you and they'll say to you, hey, can you promote my product directly one-to-one? Let's cut out the middleman. Now, ClickFunnels, Commission Junction, and Max Bounty, they tend not to like this sort of thing. But if you're doing really well, then you can upgrade and graduate beyond ClickFunnels. That's just what I'm saying. It's possible. And in my opinion, that's the best way to do it, directly with that affiliate. So that's one of the reasons why I promote Russell Brunson, because I believe in what he does. I think that what he does is really useful to the world. And also the book that I link you to below on how to do this is amazing. The Traffic Secrets book below is incredible. It will teach you how to get the best traffic. But I'm going to run into a little bit about now how to get some traffic and what you can do with it. So the most popular way that people do affiliate marketing is through the Facebook ad, lead capture page, email, then go to the link that you can buy. That is the simplest way you can do affiliate marketing. This is really simple. This model is proven, it's effective, and it's very simple. So if you can follow that model, then that's great. What some people do though is really bad. Don't do this, as they will use their affiliate link directly in the Facebook ad. Now, not only will Facebook ban you for that, but also there's no lead capture in the middle of that. So what happens is you're essentially sending that person directly to the affiliate link, and you're getting no lead capture in the middle. So what you want to do is you want to find out who's buying. So you want to take their email for your database, so that when you want to resell products, you can say, hey, look, we noticed that you bought this product. This product is like that product. Why don't you go and check out this one? These are the two simple models. They're not crazy intensive. They're not amazing funnels, but they do work. Now, one of the ways I like to do this is I like to put out YouTube videos, and in the links below you can have just a direct link to your affiliate product. What I recommend is you use something like bit.ly, or there's a whole bunch of them, where you can use a free link that will go over, and not only that will you know where it is, but you'll know they will give you some report statistics on how many people have clicked that link. It's not to say that ClickBank or any of your affiliates are going to lie, but essentially it's really good for letting you know, like, there's 10 people that clicked on this link and there's 10 people that bought, hypothetically. But also it gives you those statistics. So if you know that 10 people clicked on your link and they went to your sales page, or your sign up page, and only 3 or 4 people signed up, or less than that, or no people signed up, you get statistics on knowing, well, I sent 30 people to the sign up page, but none of these people signed up. So what's wrong there? The sign up page is wrong. Or you might find that you send 30 people to the sign up page, you get 3 people sign up, and then from the sign up, nobody buys the sale. So it's good to track every level of what's going on here. So, and then the final thing you're going to want to do is essentially send them to the product. So once you have them in your email list, you say, hey, look guys, thanks very much for downloading this free product that I sent you, or filling out my free quiz. Quizzes are really good, by the way, because they're non-exclusive. They can say, hey, how old are you? Over the age of 18? Yes. We marketed to people over the age of 18 anyway, so we know you're over the age of 18. Do you live in the UK? Yes. Well, we knew that because our Facebook ad said that you were from the UK. And number 3, sort of like, do you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing? Yes. Very simple quiz. It encourages people to want to move forward, and also it's human psychology. People really want to finish things. They don't want to just sit there and say, no, I'm going to leave this quiz halfway through. But yeah, they'll complete it and they'll go through. And what's more is the last one is going to be an email that says, hey, we'll send you the results by your email. One of these great examples is, if you haven't seen, on my site I have remote Suumo, what kind of remote worker are you? And if you fill out that what kind of remote worker are you form, you will then be asked to put in your email address so that I can give you that PDF report after that. So once I have that, I can then say to you the next level of my sale. So, hey, by the way, thanks for getting my free report on what kind of worker you are. By the way, I'm doing this course, maybe you like it, it's $7. So, it's a great way to lead into other things. So there's the YouTube model, essentially what I just said was have the link in the description, take it out to a sales page, a sign up page, always have a sign up page. Like I said, you want to capture that lead, you want to be able to remarket to those people, and essentially the more people you have in the list, the more you know about the people on your list, the better you can then serve them in the future. And remember, this is all about serving people. Don't promote anything that you feel won't add value to people's lives. That's the number one thing. Don't promote anything that you feel won't add value. And on a final note, I just want to say that one of my favorite affiliate programs is the Shopify program. I'm a big promoter of the Shopify environment because that platform is so cool, and it's a great way to get an e-commerce platform up and running, for $29 a month. Not only do they do the hosting, not only do they have an email, they have a website builder in there, but they have email stuff. They have they got add-ons for all kinds of stuff too. It really is the best platform for any e-commerce situation if you have the budget for it, which is why there's a link below to my Shopify sign up. And if you sign up for any Shopify affiliate, then the affiliate gets, they get 100% of the bounty for an enterprise sign up. So it's a $2,000 sign up for an enterprise account. But when they get the $29 a month, which is the lowest package, you get up to $600 as a one-time commission to say thank you, because Shopify know that they're going to earn $29 a month, potentially for up to 5-10 years. So they know that they're going to get money from that customer. So it's not only is it beneficial for the affiliate, but also the company benefits, and not only that, but the customer benefits as well, because they're getting a really great e-commerce platform that will make them money. So that is affiliate marketing in a nutshell. It's a way to refer potential audience that you have to other people who have amazing products that you believe in. And if you believe in it and you tell people about it and they go buy those products, they will give you a small commission as a thank you for buying that product. Now, thanks very much guys for sitting through this. I hope you liked it. If you did, please turn that like button blue and turn that subscribe button gray. And thanks very much. Please subscribe and like this because it means a lot to the channel as I'm just starting to grow it. But also please share it with your friends, because I want all the people who need to see this, because some people, they're struggling right now, and it's really beneficial for those people to get this kind of help and advice that they need. And also, if you need any help, if you need anything, my contact details are below. Please reach out to me and I would love to help you in going remote, building a business online, or anything that you can do for remote working online. Okay guys, thanks very much and I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you got so much for it. Please like, comment and subscribe and share this with your friends. Awesome guys, thank you and see you in the next video.